Привет! You're watching ROGO language course. So today we will discuss vowel reduction, or in the unstressed syllable tones to the sound It's something between a and o. For example, овца – sheep, Москва – Moscow, корыто – trough. Yeah, in the unstressed syllable turns to the sound e. For example, like in words сестра – sister, река – river. Я in the unstressed syllable turns to the sound e too. For example, заяц – rabbit, 9 – 9. So now let's discuss voiced and unvoiced consonants. What's the definition of the term voiced? It refers to consonant sounds that are produced with the assistance of vocal cord vibration, which is also known as the voice. Let's compare these sounds and focus on their articulation. The sounds on the left are voiced, while the ones on the right are unvoiced. B, p, v, f, g, k, d, t, j, sh, z, s. Now comes another Russian pronunciation rule. Sometimes voiced consonants turn to their unvoiced versions. When? First one, when it's located at the end of the word. For example, Гамбург, we say Гамбург, or Медведев, we say Медведев. The second one is when in the middle of the word it's followed by another unvoiced consonant. For example, вторник, we say вторник, or водка, we say водка. And it works the other way around. If the unvoiced consonant is followed by the voiced one, it turns to its voiced equivalent. For example, вокзал, we say as вокзал. Просьба, not просьба, but просьба, request. Also, it's important to mention cht rule. Cht sounds like sht only in word что and cognate words. In other words, it's cht, почта, post office, мечта, dream. Чтобы, in order to, ничто, nothing. The only exception to the rule is word нечто, something. Now let's practice. Огород, vegetable garden, дуб, oak, нож, knife. Сказка, fairy tale. Автор, author. Город, city. Год, year. Вояж, voyage. Молоко, milk. Профессор, professor. So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for being with ROGO teachers and our team. See you next class.